Yo family, and what's happening? Yo family, and what's happening? Loose up. There's a little better goes on her. There you go. I didn't have those lights in, but Need for Speed World. Love that corvette. Love my ZR6. Sorry. Oh, it's a ZR1 and a ZR6. Also had that one. So yeah. Rolls real cool. Yeah. I'm on a corvette kick lately. Corvette kick. Porsche. You're going to be Porsche. She's pretty fast with those mags on her, man. Absolutely love those. But working with them, if anybody gets these wheels, they are very delicate to mess around with. So this one's got a bit of a weird setup. It's got axle tubes and salt in the back, axles in the front. Anyway, yeah, here's my fun. Hey, big piece, we let them look at